So what is our big announcement? Well, it's to do with these, our SIAB Premium systems. So I've unwrapped and unboxed this one literally in a truck parking bay, just so I can show you this. This will all get rewrapped, don't worry about it. I do want to let you see what a full SIAB Premium system looks like. Now for the cool part. So while the SIAB Premium system itself has a lot of advantages, being in a 5mm aluminium enclosure, it has a whole bunch of cool stuff that we've built into it to make this awesome. However, not everybody needs this. Some people have already built a battery room or have an enclosed shed that is vermin proof and dust proof and everything else ready for an off-grid system, and the box as it isn't actually necessary for those particular people. Now, if you're going to be outside, if you don't have a rodent-proof and insect-proof enclosure to put your system in, then having the box is kind of critical. However, for those who don't, and we've had a number of people who have pre-built and pre-planned with a dedicated battery room or a whatever else. I won't go into details because I don't want to call particular customers out, but they've got something pre-built that basically would take the place of the box. If this system isn't needed in a box, then it eliminates a few things. There is cooling fans in the box. There are thermal overload safeties built in because of the box. We don't need to put those in. Also, we don't need a full custom built TIG welded aluminium enclosure to sit the entire system in. So, because of that, for the right customer who has the other elements in place, we are going to be offering our SIAB systems on the internal frames, still pre-built. You're still going to have your off-grid inverter, your string inverters, the DC and AC switchboards, the batteries, everything is still going to be part of the system, just without the box. And so you can have a full off-grid system with the SMA equipment, with the Pylontech batteries, the exact same SIAB Premium system. But I haven't come up with a name for it yet. It's only something we looked at actually offering this week that we've made the decision to do this. So it's going to be a bare open frame, rather than having, I'll show you around the side here. Hold up a sec. So rather than having all of this pre-built cable insert section and all the rest, cabling would simply be connected directly and wired into the switchboard on site. Same with the DC, there would be no additional connections, they would go into the DC breakers. However, it means that we can basically have a raw stripped down version of our SIAB Premium system in an open frame arrangement. That also means that we are going to have the ability to offer our SIAB Premium in a raw open frame for a cheaper cost. So for people who still want to get the best of the best, but have it in a, I guess, more economical option because they have already spent the money on building a battery room or building a rodent and insect proof enclosure for their system to go in, you can now buy it in an open frame.